Gluten Tag bread nerds, instead of baking, we're gonna have a look at something equally as delicious, a behind the scenes of how my book, The Sourdough Framework, is printed in the US. I visited the factory and I was just completely blown away by the whole process. And everything you're about to see only exists because of the continued support from the community. So thank you, and let's enjoy that footage. And I managed to finish that recording just in time because that was the timer for my sandwich bread, which is my favorite bread to make. It's so little effort and it's going to provide you and your family with amazing bread with very, very little effort. I'm going to be including the alpha version of the recipe at the end of the video for you to test. Please send me some feedback on what you think can be improved. And please now enjoy the printing process. This feels a little bit like a secret scene in some of the major movies. Anyways, you made it this far, thank you for watching. This is the recipe to make that loaf pan bread, and it's part of the Sourdough Framework recipes, which is still in alpha stage, but I just wanted to walk you through this recipe real quick. So pretty much all you gotta do is you mix together all the ingredients and use a lot of water. That really makes stirring everything a lot easier. You don't really have to care too much about the readiness of your sourdough starter because the loaf pan itself gives you support and gets you that nice rise. So it's very, very, very easy to make. I'm gonna be sharing a link to the full instructions in the description for you to check out. And please let me know what you think about this recipe. Try it with a couple of different flours too. And please, if you have time, send me a couple of pictures. I would love to see them because maybe at some point I managed to make a video out of it. I'm just a little bit hesitant because we Germans, or Nordic people, we love our rye bread. But I know that people in other places around the world are not really so supportive of this type of bread. So I'm not trying to spam the rest of the world with the bread we love the most. But maybe let me know what you think, and maybe if we can get more community pictures of you making a similar style of bread, that will be great so that we can make it more appealing to others as well. This is definitely the bread with the lowest cost per slice. Thank you for watching, thank you for all the support, and may the gluten be strong with you. This is the button.